Hey man, what's up, y'all boys? That's it. So look, y'all, we got some motherfucking. Ooh, look at this, Jay. Come here, look at this. She's shiny, y'all. I gotta go to work. Hold on. Yeah.
It get like that, boys. So look, this what I got. You know what I'm saying? I got the motherfucking Power Purple. Now, I was watching my boy. I'm gonna put his YouTube name right here. This is not Auto Man, bro. This is Purple Power, bro. I cleaned this motherfucker out. It's Purple Power, bro. This get the rust out and shit, so I'm gonna go spray this shit on the engine, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, cleaning my engine bay for the bay. I got the power washer and shit over there. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. But I'm about to pop this hood up. I'm about to, you know what I'm saying, get ready to spray the bit in. What y'all boys? What y'all been on? Shit. I ain't been on much, my boy. I've been vibing type shit. You know what I'm saying? Bring y'all a little closer, bro. You know I can bring y'all a little closer. That was right. I should have incorporated this shit. So look, y'all, see how it's dirty in there, all of this shit on that side and shit. But you know what I'm saying? So we gotta get in here and shit. So basically, what I was telling y'all in the last video, we were smoking and shit. My carburetor, we need a new carburetor. As a matter of fact, I gotta go get my wood.
Alright, y'all, got my gloves on. I got my wood. You know what I'm saying? Gotta put another glove on. You know what I'm saying? So look, basically, what I was saying again, right? I need to spark my wood. Make sure I can see this shit, man. You know what I'm saying? These is props, YouTube, by the way. Don't smoke, kids. For the boys that's watching this, that's young. Don't do this. Come on. Anyway, like I was saying, I need a new carburetor. That's why when I crank it, I'm gonna crank it up for y'all. That's why I be making that. I need a new carburetor. So when I was washing it and shit, with the body and shit, getting a little quick clean, the video I'm gonna post for y'all, y'all probably already watched it already, type shit. We cleaned this out already, right? We did the little, you know what I'm saying, or the filter. We cleaned that out already. But anyway, y'all, this car don't really need much for real. Like it run good for real. But beyond that, But beyond that though, we need some oils for this bit. We need a new battery. The battery over there. We need a new battery. It's a 70. I think I got a 78 in the garage.
Let's put the flash on it so we can see it as we got a battery. You know what I'm saying? That's good. I got another video for y'all boys. You know what I'm saying? Brand spanking new. It's just been sitting in the bit, collecting dust, as you can see.
Hold on, y'all. I think I got a 78 in my garage. Hey, that's crazy. I had to hold on. I think I got another battery in the garage. Ooh. I'm gonna get a new alternator and shit. Just cause I want to get a car, a new feel. I want everything to be fresh. I'm gonna get a new alternator and shit. I'm gonna put a new starter in here.
We gonna talk about the tires and shit in a minute. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna clean it a bit as we go and I'm gonna chop it up with y'all boys.
Alright, so look. As I was watching my boy said, basically just spray this shit down. I gotta watch the video, bro, see if he either started the engine or while he was doing it, or it was off. I gotta watch. So let me do that number. Hold on. Alright, y'all. His name is Life as J Spikes.
Alright, so look. Alright, so I got a little bit of Alright, so
Look. Remember in the first beginning? No. I got that. So I got that purple power, right? So we good. The car is not on. You know what I'm saying? So we just gonna spray that bit down.
let it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? Let it do what it do. Look at that. Let it do what it do. He said, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, look at that.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This shit hurt my hands, boy. Oh, y'all hard. I could give y'all another angle. 2 angles, look. So, as y'all see, look at that dirt. Look at all that dirt that's coming off that mud. Anyway, y'all, like I was saying, look at all that dirt. Look at all that dirt come off all that. Look at all that dirt, bro. My bad, y'all. It's hard to multitask. Trying to get all that dirt. Look at all that dirt and shit back there. You know what I'm saying? She really needed it, bitch. Look at it. Look at how clean her look. Look at how better she look. Hopefully, like he said, hopefully. Don't know water mess up with this old bitch. You feel what I'm saying? Make her look at all that dirt, bro. Get something in there. Shit, not too much though. Look at all that dirt, bro. Look at all that dirt, bro. Yeah. That shit needed that. So I think what he did next was start that bit.
And let y'all see how much dirt coming off that shit.
Alright, so as I let that sit, y'all, I'm gonna keep watching my boy. And I'm gonna come back. And anyway, engine bay clean out, but she needed that shit. Ooh, excuse me. See what I'm saying? She looking kind of good right now. I need to put some more back there, just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't want to oversaturate and mess your shit. You know what I'm saying? She needed that. I got to put a little bit over there. She needed to clean out. She needed this. All right, y'all. Gotta crank that bit up, man. Ooh-wee. If y'all ain't heard her start up, man, y'all about to hear her today. I had to start her up anyway. Gotta give her some gas. She'll start running in a minute. Flying straight. There she go. There she go. My neighbor's gonna be mad. She a bad motherfucker though, y'all hear? But while she running, we gotta spray her down, so we gotta come back. Come on. I'ma try not to get no water on my phone, bro. So fuck y'all.
Spray that bit down, bro. Look at all that shit that's coming off there. We don't want to put too much water on there and mess her up. We want to get that, you know what I'm saying? We want to get her good though. If we don't close her up. Y'all see the view? Double the view will get you a view. I'ma sit and let this run for a little bit.
So what we gonna do is we gonna start wiping her off. Y'all can see all the dirt coming off there. She said I was dirty. Be mindful of the time. You gotta be mindful of the time. Now, while y'all doing this, man, y'all want to be careful because y'all don't want to mess nothing up on here. In the midst of you cleaning this, bro. You don't want to mess nothing up. So, do this on your own discretion. Feel me? Hold on, where my lighter at? Okay, here it is. I gotta spark my shit. You gotta be mindful of the time. The clock. You gotta be mindful of the time.
Yeah, if y'all seen that, it's real dirty, man. Well, hell no. It's a lot of gunk and grime in here, boy. See these gloves? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, boys, as y'all can see, man, she's still a lot dirty. But she's a whole lot cleaner. You can see what's what a lot better. You know what I'm saying? Later on the day, I'm going to fire her up when I get off work. See how she rolling, see what she doing. Tell me what y'all boys think, man. Tell me. Yeah, tell that nigga get the fuck out of here. I ain't too quite sure. But she looking way cleaner, way better.
Got that shit clean. It's cleaned up. You can see a little more. Everything a little rainy bit.
I don't want to redo it, but I want to replace a lot of the basic shit. You know what I'm saying? Me and my brother and my brother mechanic. You know what I'm saying? We'll see what that be do. But anyways, I think I got a 78 in the garage. So, all right, y'all. So now we about to do a little cleanup, man. We about to throw this shit away. I want to take this shit. Y'all always want to clean up after y'allselves, boys. Y'all don't want y'all women to be like, why would you leave all that outside? You're lazy. Girl, shut up. You fucking lazy. Calling me fucking lazy. All the shit I do around the motherfucking house, you shut the fuck up. Anyway, shout out to my lady, bro. Shout out to her parents, bro, my in-laws, cuz shout out to her brother for having some of this shit already ready for me, cuz without them, none of this shit would be happening. Oh, bro. Especially with the equipment that I just be having around the crib. Feel what I'm saying? Ski. Alright, so for the people who didn't see, I was going over my car and stuff like that. Basically, after we do the little basic shit, the little basic necessities and things of that nature. I don't know. For the people in the comments, I ain't really too familiar with body work and shit like that. So tell me how I can get this down. I think that when I get to the sanding stage, I'm gonna have to sand this down and shit. So in the comments, man, tell me how y'all can help me on this shit. Let me know something. I think I'm gonna wanna pull them off too. I'm gonna just get some whole new tires and rims. I'm just get some whole new shit. I gotta remember this size when I'm getting my shit, man. I think I want to go a little bigger though, so let's see. I ain't gonna say too much on that, but I took these off, the little side panels off. I ain't want the side panel. I want to replace my mirrors. I want to replace my mirrors, cause there's not one on the other side. I only got one mirror. I want to replace my mirrors. See what I'm saying? It's I gotta sand my roof down. And shit. I don't know if I'm gonna replace these. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I won't. I think I won't. Never mind. I'm gonna tell y'all later. But I'm gonna start taking the panels off. And shit like that. I'm gonna start taking these off. I gotta get a new emblem. It's in y'all seen that in the smoke video. This shit. Replace these. You know what I'm saying? The fillers. I'm gonna buy some fillers for the front and the back. I'm gonna get some fillers. I'm gonna get some different lights. As far as, I think I'm gonna get some new. I'm gonna just get this shit all new. You know what I'm saying? Get this shit all new. Type shit. Even this right here, I'm gonna get this all new. Even this right here, I'm gonna get a new one of these. Like I said on the other side, it's not really no real big body damage for real, but it is a little bit right here. You know what I'm saying? It's a We find a way to pull that out. You know what I'm saying? Hood. Another Impala decal. I don't got that one. I only got one of them. Like I said, pull this out. You know what I'm saying? Body decals, shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Pull that shit out. You know what I'm saying? She good. She a bad bitch. Let me get some new covers. Cause that motherfucker starting. So I'm gonna get some new covers and shit. But man, that's the video, man. How she looking? How she looking, man? That's the video for y'all boys, man. Just stay locked in. We got work to do, man. Boy, you knew it was it, boy. You knew it was over, boy. That's the end of the video, boy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell your mama, tell your friend. Ugly, boy. Ugly. Now, on some real hype, though, I do appreciate y'all boys, man. Make sure y'all stay locked in. I got more heat coming this week, next week, the week after that, man. Man, just stay tuned, man. You want to see that mug complete, man. This shit need $1 million because I worth it. Ski.